Okay, we're going to crack open this intervalometer and take a look at what's inside. I don't have the correct connector for this, so I just made up some pins and put alligator clips on the ends of it. See, inside the case there's cork for an insulator, because the whole case is ground. And then in here we've got a set of 4 relays. It's almost just like a pinball machine. When you trigger the device, this relay holds closed, and these two act back and forth, turning each other off and on. And as that happens, that opens and closes this one here, which is your output. That carries the voltage to the bomb rack relays to release the bombs. There's a little gear here. This is your off and on switch. As this opens and closes, it acts as a stepper to count down. There's a few other things in here. An old selenium rectifier, a couple of capacitors, well, several capacitors. But let's fire this thing up and see what it looks like running from the inside. I'm going to run a ground lead to the case. We'll use this aluminum piece here. Fire up my power supply. Hook up my power. Now remember, this is your output here. This is your trigger. That's triggered by you flip this to select here. It's triggered by feeding at 26 volts. You can see when it's in the select mode, it triggers that output relay there. Now we'll go into the train mode, run at my counter, and then all we do is touch it, and so this relay holds, and these two toggle back and forth. It'll simply count all the way down. All the way to 0. Pretty cool. Let me cut the power here. What I had to do on this unit here is spray these contacts down with a good contact cleaner. For burnishing the contacts, I carefully folded a dollar bill and slip it under the contact very gently and kind of rub it back and forth to clean off any gunk or whatever, burnish those contacts. These two are a little more tedious to get to because there's a couple of extra switches there. These contacts are high power, so they're bigger and heavier duty. If those aren't clean, then you probably won't get any output from the unit. So in case you're wondering how quickly this thing will count down, here's a demonstration. And that's all 50 in just a few seconds.